This is John with Flat 6 Motorsports, and today we're bringing another episode of the Porsche Cayenne 958 Turbo build. Now in the last episode we installed these very nice Vorsteiner wheels. We're going one step further with the aesthetics. We're getting rid of those ugly orange OEM side markers, and we're going to replace them with the Flat 6 Motorsports LED side markers. Now this is a meteor gray finish. We decided to go with the smoked lights. We thought it might look a little bit better with some of the other black accents on the vehicle. So let's get started by installing those and we'll show you how they go on. All right, so the easiest way to do this is to put one of your wheels facing either way, just to allow you some little clearance. And you can take out 2 or 3 of these screws that hold in this wheel liner to access the back of this. And you use a T25 Torx bit. Now this will allow you to access the back of the side marker, and we're just going to use a screwdriver to pop this loose. And this just pulls right out. And then simply take your your smoked side marker, plug the lead into the socket here. Just make sure it's in there firmly. And then before you set everything, good idea just to test this. And as you can see here, it's illuminated so we know it's working. So we hope you enjoyed this episode of the 958 Cayenne Turbo build series. We put these very nice smoked side markers on our Cayenne. We think they look a lot better with the wheels. With these, it's starting to look a little more modern, a little bit more aggressive of a vehicle. Stay tuned to our next episode. We're going to get into some of the power modifications. So we're going to install the IPD plenum. We're going to show you how to install that, and then we're going to take it to the dyno to see what kind of numbers it puts up. So definitely stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't. We still have a lot more episodes coming that I think are going to be exciting for you. Thanks.